Assalamu alaikum Mitsuri students, welcome to the academic session 2020-21. Hope you all are doing well. Today is our 9th lecture of science for grade 4. Habitat and environment. A short review on the previous lecture. In what ways are animals situated or adapted to their environments? We have learnt some examples that animals that live in dry desert, cool climate, live in water and live in mangrove swamps. Different examples were there. Our today's topic is what is an identification key? What is an identification key? I hope that you all know identification, the meaning of identification. Identification means that something you have the identity of that thing, specification of the thing. Here identification key means the key that is given as an example on your slide to identify the animal, which category the animals belong to. This key is an example of an identification key. We can use an identification key to help us to identify the animal, of which kind or category the animal is. Now coming to further explanation, there are several million kinds of animals on the earth. Many more have not yet been discovered, identified or classified. Scientists use identification key to identify and classify the various kind of animals, plants and other living things. The following key show the way vertebrates can be classified into different groups. Vertebrates can be classified into different groups such as covered with slimy scales, covered with hard and dry scales, covered with moist skin, covered with feathers and covered with hair or fur. There are different examples given on here on the slide. For more further information, you have to refer to page number 72. So what we have learned today is an identification key can be used to identify or classify animals. So with this we have completed the explanation. Hope in the next class we will learn about in what ways do human activities affect the environment. Thank you, grade 4.